Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this lava lamp effect inside snow globe tumblers. This one that I made glows brightly under a UV lamp, but it also looks nice and vibrant in regular lighting. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. I started with this 24-ounce double-walled plastic tumbler. This one is pre-drilled and meant to be a snow globe tumbler, and it comes with a rubber plug, which is super convenient. You can find a link to these and all of the other products I'm using in the description of this video. To create the lava lamp effect inside the tumbler, you'll need baby oil, vegetable glycerin, and some sort of pigment for the vegetable glycerin. I'm using an orange liquid candle dye as well as an orange UV glow powder to pigment my vegetable glycerin. I didn't measure the liquid dye or the pigment powder, I just poured some of each of them into the vegetable glycerin until I liked the color and mixed well with a wooden popsicle stick. It's worth mentioning that there is a difference between neon glow powder, which is what I'm using, and glow-in-the-dark powder. Both powders will glow brightly under a UV lamp, but glow-in-the-dark powder will continue to glow in the dark on its own after you've shone a UV lamp on it, whereas neon glow powder like this only glows under UV light. However, neon glow powder looks a lot more brightly pigmented when it's in just regular daylight, whereas glow-in-the-dark powder looks a lot more pastel. So I chose the neon powder because I like how vibrant it looks even when it's not glowing under a UV. There were quite a few clumps of the UV powder that I couldn't get rid of no matter how much I mixed it. If you have any tips for this, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, but I strained the vegetable glycerin mixture through a mesh organza bag I had laying around, and that worked really well to remove the big clumps. Next, I used a syringe to transfer the glycerin into the hole in the bottom of the tumbler. I used about 65 grams of vegetable glycerin, which filled up roughly 1/3 of the height of the tumbler. Then I used a syringe to add baby oil into the tumbler. This is baby oil straight out of the bottle with nothing added to it. I filled the remaining space in the tumbler almost all the way to the top. Next, I plugged the hole in the bottom of the cup with the included rubber bumper. These plugs are a very snug fit, so I like to use a hook tool to help work its way into the hole. I'm not going to fully seal this cup just yet because I'm thinking of maybe still adding something else to the snow globe. But if you want to stop here, you can fill in the space on the bottom of the cup with UV resin and cure it under a UV lamp for a super strong and waterproof seal, which I'm demonstrating here with another snow globe tumbler I made using this same type of plastic tumbler. Once you're done, you can flip your tumbler over and check out that lava lamp drip effect. Typically with snow globe tumblers, we try to fill them as much as possible, leaving no space for air bubbles. But with this lava lamp effect, it actually kind of works in your favor to leave a bit of space because it allows the glycerin to drip down and kind of plop into the baby oil, creating a droplet instead of creating a consistent stream. And the droplet gives more of that lava lamp feeling. I think this orange color looks great under both the UV and regular lighting, but it would definitely be cool to try this technique out with glow-in-the-dark powder as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!